In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Trello account. Trello is a simple visual tool for organizing projects, tasks, and ideas using boards, lists, and cards. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a brand new account ready to go, using your Google credentials for a fast and secure sign-up. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Trello.com. On the homepage, look for the button that says Get Trello for free. You'll typically find it near the top of the page or prominently in the main banner. Click that and Trello will route you to Atlassian's sign-in system, which powers Trello accounts. Don't worry, that's expected since Trello is part of the Atlassian family. On the Atlassian sign-up page, choose the Google option. This is often labeled Google or Continue with Google. Using Google keeps things quick. You won't need to create or remember a new password, and your name and email are pulled in automatically. If you'd rather use a different method, Trello does support email-based sign-up, but for this tutorial, we'll stick with Google to keep things simple. Next, select your Google account. If you're already signed into Google in your browser, you'll see a list of available accounts. Click the one you want to use with Trello. If you're not signed in yet, you may be prompted to enter your Google email and password first. Choose the account you actually intend to use for Trello projects. Many people pick their personal account for home tasks or their work account for team boards. On shared computers, double-check you're choosing your own account to keep things secure. When Google displays the consent screen, click Continue. This step authorizes Atlassian to use basic information from your Google account, like your name and email, so it can create your Trello profile. Take a quick moment to review the permissions, then confirm. After that, you'll be redirected back to Trello. You should now land on Trello's Welcome or Home page. That means your account has been created successfully. From here, Trello may offer a short onboarding flow or suggest creating your first board. You can follow those prompts at your own pace or skip them and explore later. A quick tip: once you're in, consider reviewing your profile and notification settings so Trello communicates in a way that works best for you. And if you're using a public or shared device, remember to sign out when you're done. That's it. You've created your Trello account with Google. You're ready to start organizing your work and life with boards, lists, and cards.